Yeah. Can't say I never care about being loved without being judged. Gotta bring truth to light. Yeah. Back in time, years online, keep asking why. Most of the time I lie, but they're still judging my life. Say that I don't spend time trying to fit in with the hive, but I keep falling into stereotype, being one in their eyes. Maybe it's not worth it. Maybe I should start following my purpose. Maybe all the times I cried, a tear with mine. For all the people who hide. Maybe I'm one supposed to be in that line, but sometimes gotta stay fright. My ego gon' stay on the high, but bright light keep making me blind. Before I go reach my shine, yeah, I know I gotta swallow my pride. Gotta stop ignoring the signs. Yeah. This mountain look too hard to climb. Yeah, mountain take me to new height. Wasn't prepared for skydive. Bring the truth to light. 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 For the past 10 years, plant, live life my own. For the next 10 years, hope I wasn't wrong. And I can't lie, thought if I brought the truth to the light, gonna go be my demise. Crazy all your decisions and things